Oi pessoal, hoje a gente vai de Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head, grande sucesso dos anos 70 na voz de B.J. Thomas, composição de Burt Bacharach. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I say I didn't like the way he got things done, flipping on the job. Those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till you're happy